Are you ready up? Thanks.
Yeah. Do you want 1v1?
Right, first of all, do you want to do a race?
No. No. I don't care about you guys even done. Oh my god. Locky. Rifty. Yeah, boy. Wildcat. I've watched all YouTube videos. Damn me! Just damn! What is my ping? Oh, I think it's because of you being in my lobby. Ping. 14 more seconds. Yeah.
Look at me.
I'm not doing a race.
Okay.
Let's just go to my island. And I hope I don't get bad pings.
I'm not going onto your island.
Why?
Because I want to race.
I don't want to. Races are boring.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they are. Why was I moving anymore? I don't have my headset on. Oh. I know how to record as well.
Cool.
I might not be recording now. I'm recording.
Are you streaming?
No, I'm just recording.
Oh.
I'm gonna be joining you now. Back to the info. Okay. So which one are you on? Oh, let's do hide and seek.
Oh yeah. I'll just go back to creative.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, let's do hide and seek.
On Lockie's map.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Gonna go back to the creative hub.
Oh, why?
Because there we go. Ah! Oh god, I've only been on this map once.
I've never been on this map.
I'm gonna have a look around.
Yeah, same. Oh, I know where I'm hiding. So do we pick who's seeking? Wait, let me just quickly.
Oh my god, I just found.
Oh no, I can't hear him now. Can't hear you. Right, what? Oh my. No, Oscar, no, don't. Oh, for God's sake. Why don't you use any other skins or stuff? Honestly. Oh my mouse! Where are you? There you are. He literally has that skin and he's not even using it. Right, he literally has that skin. He's sexist.
Do you want to do duos?
Sure. Hey, Dad.
Buddy,
Sorry for
what
killing you.
are you doing, Junior boy?
He's at the door.
Did I get you another treat?
Oh.
Did you get another treat?